Hi, everybody. Welcome to Microbiology. Professor Gustin here. And this week we're going to talk about Introduction to Microbiology, Part 1. I know you've got a lot of stuff to do this week, so I tried to not give you a ton of content. So there's probably not quite as much as you'll see for most weeks. But you'll be busy enough this week. I'm not worried about that. So, Introduction to Microbiology, Part 1. Here's where you found the video. I'm going to move myself over here. Here's where you found the video. One of the things you'll notice is there's these little boxes right here. So these are solely for your purposes. There's nothing that records in the grade book if you click this or not. Like somebody thought, oh, if I don't click that, then you won't think I did it. It doesn't matter. I have no awareness of if you've done that or not. These are for your own use. So once you're done the video, you can check it off and just for your own bookkeeping, so you can say, yep, I remember I did that. If you accidentally checked it, you can uncheck it. So use those if you would like, or you don't have to. So there's the video. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the lecture study guide. We talked about this in the syllabus, and you're going to I put a reminder here. I mentioned this in the syllabus, but this is the document that you are going to complete. So it's like this is going to be your lecture notes. So this is what you're going to complete. The completed document, whether you type all the notes in or you handwrite them, ultimately you want a document that you can put in your 3-ring binder and you can sit down and look at that um, to review for your exams. And so when you click on this, it looks like the document we looked at when we looked at the syllabus. There's a download button that you can download it and save it onto your computer. Alternatively, you can click the download up here. And what that will do is that will download all the documents all the things that I created, videos, documents. It'll download all of them. Here's more lecture videos. It will download those. And the lab handout. I don't think it will download the quiz, but it will download the lab handout, the lecture videos, and all the videos onto your computer. So if you want to work on some of this without the internet, you can download it ahead of time. Or you can download each one of these individually. Usually you probably won't need to download a video if you just watch it here and then stop it. But if you have limited time on the computer, you might want to download it and watch it without the internet. So here it gives you a little bit of pointers about how to use that study guide. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to these lecture videos. Notice that the lecture videos have this little drop down. Okay. So it might just look like that, and there's no lecture videos, but oh yeah, click, there they are. So I try to make them in small units. So watch the lecture videos. You'll see on the study guide that there are learning outcomes for section 1.1 and for section 1.1 and 1.3. So you'll watch these videos and you'll fill in the places on this lecture study guide that where that information goes, and it will be pretty obvious. If you don't want to use the videos, a lot of times I say I recommend you use the videos. For this one, I say I recommend you at least watch the video, you watch this video, because it's just a lot more efficient than the book. But if you want to primarily use the book instead of the videos, you can go to your lecture assignment. And when you click on that lecture assignment, right now it's not active because I'm making this video before the start date. So when it's dark like that and there's no box to check off, when it's bold, you can't open it yet. But by the time you guys see this, this will be an active link. And you can open that up. It will bring you to McGraw-Hill Connect. It will bring you right to the Smart Book where this material is. And then you'll have the choice to click on Start Questions or Start Reading. If you want to fill in more of your study guide or you want to do some of the reading in the book, you can click the Start Reading and it will bring you to highlighted portions of the book. It will be that's why it's called a Smart Book, because it aligns with your study guide. So you can do the Start Reading and you can fill in your study guide with that. You can also, once you've completed your study guide and you've reviewed it, you want to complete the lecture assignment. And to do that, you click on the Start Questions part. And you start, and it will give you questions about this study guide. Now, it's always nice to have reviewed your study guide, try to remember some of it before you go to those questions. But that's your lecture assignment. So you want to complete that. And once you complete that, you'll get full credit. Then we switch to lab, and there's a lab handout. And again, I print the lab handout, put it in your 3-ring binder, and you'll see all sorts of different things to do, and you'll just follow them down. The virtual labs you're going to do, the links are right here. Again, I have that little drop down section. And all of these are listed on your lab handout. And again, they're not active right now because I'm making this before this start date. But eventually you'll click on each one of these, and they all bring you to the same place in McGraw-Hill Connect. And you find the name of the virtual lab and you do it. And by completing the virtual lab, you'll get full credit on the grade sheet. Once your lab handout is all filled out, then you can go take the lab quiz, and it gives you some pointers here. You're going to have 20 minutes to take the quiz, and this one has 2 bonus points on it. So you start off ahead right away. So there you go. If you're looking for your grades, you'll be able to find them under this link here. And that's week 1. When you're done that, you are done for the semester, not for the semester, for week 1. And then next week, by Friday of week 1, you will see the week 2 materials posted. Please let me know if you have any questions, anything I can do to help. Take care. Good luck this week.